you nowhere. No, don't want none of your time and no, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you mine and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. No, don't want none of your time and no, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get none from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's side, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get none from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's trying to holler at me. Look at me, but his name is kind of weak, and I know that he cannot approach me. Cause I'm looking like that, and he's looking like that. Can't get with a baby ass. No, no, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you mine. And no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. No, don't want none of your time. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get none from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get none from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's trying to holler at me. Car and walking, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. You live at home with your mama, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. You can have that money and young sugar, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. Wanna give a man with your money, oh no, I don't want no. Close.
All right, guys, so we have the wig right here. You know, I'm always gonna do my makeup first and then we are gonna put the wig on, so stay tuned for that. I didn't brush the curls out as yet just because I curled the hair last night and I wanted everything to stay, but I like the quality of this hair. I'm not gonna lie, the density is pretty awesome as well. It's 200 density. I love it, to be honest. The quality feels good. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed with the quality of this hair. So we're gonna see, I use my fingers and we're just gonna fix this makeup. We're gonna slay the face and then I'll be back to put the wig on, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so the hair is from Yolissa. It is a 20-inch body wave 5x5 HD closure, 200 density, and I love it. I went ahead and I put a baby ear right there just because, for it to have a more realistic look, and I love it. What do you guys think? So make sure you check the description bar if you want to purchase this wig. I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely love the quality of the hair. It is amazing. The texture, the density, it is wonderful. I love that the curls are the way the curls form. I just love everything about it. Also happy that I made it into a side part. So this is it. It's 20 inches. I love the length. It's perfect. I think a 20 inch is absolutely perfect. So this is it. Check it out, guys. Yolissa Hair, and go shop, save some coins. The link will be in the description bar below. Let's get this slow-mo in and we're out. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Until my next one, see you guys.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, you know you make me float.